we go to the bottom of the fourth. Dev is leading off for Bandits. 11 back on the mound for Hurricanes. First pitch in the bottom of the fourth. Squares. He bunts. Pitcher. Ben is up. He started the game as extra hitter, now he's a catcher. Hit to third, past the third baseman into left field. It's a tough field right now. Single to left for Ben. Owen is up. Pitch. Owen fouls it into the backstop. Pitch from 11. Swing and a miss. Ben's going. Here comes the throw. He's safe. Runner at second now. One man out. 0-2 on Owen. Fouled over the backstop. Tried to change up, little outside, 1-2. Pitch, low, gets away. Ben's going to third. No one's covering. Still no one covering. 2-2. Two and two, one out. Runner at third for Bandits. Bottom of the fourth. Pitch from 11. Tie. Full count. Full count on Owen. Ben's on third. It's hit to right center. It's going to drop. Ben scores. That makes it 4-1. Owen with an RBI single. Casey is up. Pitch. It's high. 1-0. Casey singled his first at bat. Pitch. He goes to first. That's like a balk move. Let's watch his step to first. Inside. I believe it's 2-0 on Casey. Owens at first. It's 4-1. Pitch. Call strike. 2-1. It's hit the right center. Hit the right. Over the right fielder's head. Owens coming. They're sending him. Nope. Ball gets away. Casey gets the second. Owens scores. It's 4-2. Adam is up. Called strike. They throw to second. Some interesting shadows and sun on the field. 0-1 on Adam. There's one man out. Casey's at second. Pitch at him. Outside. 1-1. Pitch. Adam toward us. It is 1-2. One and two, runner at second, one man out. Pitch, swing and a miss. 2 men out. Ellis is coming up. Casey's at second. It's high. 1-0. They throw to second. He gets back. Throw to second again. Hit toward third. That's the third out. End of 4. It's 4-2 Hurricanes.